It's all snow. It's snowing. Holy shit. Just look at outside. Hello everyone, very good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today is again a Saturday and we are planning to head out somewhere. It has been snowing outside since last evening and we are planning to go somewhere. I don't know the destination. Shardul might decide over it. So let's quickly get ready and head out. So yeah, I'm all ready and I'm all set to leave. I'm still not aware where are we going. So this time we three are going out. Me along with Shardul and Pawan. Last time Pawan आया नहीं था, so few guys actually noted that out, that who is Pawan, we are not aware about him. So today I'll introduce him to you guys. And yeah, today it snowed as I showed you, so the temperature outside is around -7, -8 already. So as the day progresses, it is going to get more colder. So we are all prepared. I'm wearing 3-4 layers, and over which I'm gonna wear this Zara jacket. Actually I bought it recently. This seems to be a very heavy and hefty jacket, a Zara jacket, and I'm carrying my muffler, my gloves, a neck cover or something, and yeah, the baby drone. I don't know if I'll be able to fly or not. I'm just carrying it along with me for now. So let's go. So unfortunately my camera battery is very down and I'm still carrying it. I'm still gonna carry it in my bag. I'm not sure whether I'll use my DSLR or not. For now I'll be shooting this thing on my phone. It still has a more wide angle lens than my camera. So chalo. So today we are going out with the Pawan finally. He is a Pawan. Spontaneous. We are not going to have a retake. So that's Shardul, you guys know. This is snow. And we are all set to head out. Chalo. Yeah, that's me. Snow starts melting. It kind of becomes a sludge, so it becomes difficult to walk. You'll have to be careful while walking. We are out and we are inside the S-Bahn, and where are we going, Radu? Heerstrasse. How far is it? 3 stations away from our place. Bus. Yeah, so we have almost reached to a destination. This kind of look like this.
Yeah, we are here into the woods.
Yeah, and this is so awesome. So yeah, this doesn't look like a Berlin actually. This is more looking like a Switzerland or something. It's I was told that Berlin is like Berlin doesn't have much of snow or something like that. But yesterday it snowed so much. So we have reached to in between destination and look at this beauty. So yeah, we have reached this destination. I don't know, videography is kind of prohibited here, but I'm taking this anyway. Let's see. Shadul. How high are you? So we have walked almost 10 kilometers or more than that, I don't know. So we are heading home now. It's getting darker. This is the way we walked all the way through, and this is where we need to go. So this was it for today. We might go to grocery shop as usual to find some food, eat and leave, head back home.
So this was it. This was the video about my journey to Strasse. It is actually 3 stations away from my current place. Hope you like this video. If you like it, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And bye bye, take care, namaskar. See you in another video.